Our sleep meditation today explores allowing your mind to soften and sit back while your body surrenders to sleep of its own accord. Allow your eyes to comfortably close and breathe out in a long sigh down the full length of your body, allowing your body to soften and release what it's brought with it here and no longer needs to carry. Saying silently or out loud, I let go of the day and let go into sleep. Allowing the whole of you to soften and sit back. Letting everything be just as it is in this moment. Coming down into your body's weight and the movements of your breath, effortlessly flowing in and out. The sensation of air entering and leaving. Allowing the breath to slow down in its own time, slowing the body down, slowing the mind down. You can allow your body to move into sleep by itself, now or later if it wants. It's okay for your body to sleep. The weight of your body supported. Becoming heavier and softer with each out-breath. Allowing your body to move into sleep of its own accord. Your body knows exactly how to sleep. You can allow your mind to move into sleep by itself. Now or later if it wants. the weight of your head supported, your mind sitting back, becoming heavier and softer with each out-breath. Allowing your mind to move into sleep of its own accord. Your mind knows exactly how to sleep. Letting kindness surround you. Kindness surrounding your body, surrounding your mind, surrounding yourself. Kindness flowing in and out on your breath as you soften into deeper resting, deeper sleeping now. Each out-breath allowing your neck and shoulders to soften and let go of their own accord. Moving into deeper sleep. Each out-breath allowing your arms and hands to soften and let go of their own accord. Moving into deeper sleep. Each out-breath allowing your upper back to soften and let go of its own accord. Moving into deeper sleep. Everything softening and letting go. Each out-breath allowing your chest and belly to soften and let go of their own accord. Moving into deeper sleep. Each out-breath allowing your lower back to soften and let go of its own accord. moving into deeper sleep. Allowing your buttocks and hips to soften and let go of their own accord, moving into deeper sleep. Allowing your legs and feet to soften and let go of their own accord, moving into deeper sleep. Allowing every level of your being to soften and let go into even deeper resting, deeper peaceful sleeping now.